In my opinion, the most important thing in crystals is to start developing your sensitivity to different crystals if you're open to crystal healing or want to connect to crystals, and also to kind of have a diary or something, maybe keeping track of how you felt in what moment, and so on. I have to say that it's not like love at first sight sometimes. For example, some crystals and minerals, and maybe even jewelry, you might like right away and feel good in them, but in some cases it takes time to activate them and to find that special moment to when you really connect to them. And I noticed from my experiences that sometimes I kind of keep choosing the same crystals, and then when I give a chance to something else, I actually discover something interesting too. And it's not always instant, it does take time. And the more you work with them, the more you will understand and feel yourself, and also crystals and rocks and gems. Crystals are kind of like people, with some you connect right away, you might fall in love right away, and maybe even you can fall out of love quite fast. And with others, you might connect a little bit later, but it might be a more long-term connection. So it really varies. And also the way you approach them, they might reply to you in a similar way. What I mean by that is that if you treat them well, if you take care of your crystals, if you cleanse them, if you charge them and kind of send love to them, so they will feel that in some way. I mean, hopefully, whether you believe it or not, some of them really will resonate with you. And so with time, you will learn how to use them.